This model kit review is of the Grumman F4F, and it is a World War II carrier fighter, and it's a 1/72nd scale model by Academy. And there's a picture of the finished model, and let's have a look inside. So here's our wing, and as you can see, we've got some recessed panel and rivet lines. The molding quality is actually really good. Here's our main landing gear. We've got our propeller, and there's our engine cowl. Here's the other side of the wing, and also very nicely molded, really good quality. We've got a little a little plane stand here, and there's the base. There's our control column and radio mast. Looks like a pitot tube there. Here's the right side of the fuselage, recessed panel lines. We've got our elevators, also very nicely molded. We've got a little pilot there, and a seat. And we've got some fuel tanks. No real cockpit detail there. Here's the other side of the fuselage. Again, same thing. No cockpit detail, but recessed panel lines. We've got some engine details here on the radial engine, and then part of our landing gear and our wheels. Here is the canopy, nicely molded. We have almost no decals. They're nicely printed, but not very detailed. And here are our instructions. So we start off with the pilot and his seat. Our engine goes together. Then our landing gear. And then we're going to put our fuselage together. Next, our elevators go on and main wings, engine cowl and radiator, and propeller. Then our stand gets put together if you're going to use the stand, and then fuel tanks. And then you can have your landing gear either up or down. So if it's down, it's going to be fully extended. If it's up, then you're going to have the wheels just stuck inside with the wheel well cover there. And then the canopy and radio mast go on, and then the stand. So here's the paint and decal guide. Not a lot of detail there on the decals. So fairly well molded, but not a lot of detail.